Andrew.
And I'm your older brother, Joshua. And this is
Can It Quesadilla!
This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if the ingredients can or can't quesadilla.
This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. We take suggestions from teachers all week. What we have today is a mac and cheese chicken nugget quesadilla. On the side, we have Heinz ketchup and Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce.
This quesadilla was a suggestion by my teacher, Mr. Holzberg.
Thanks, Mr. Holzberg. I think this quesadilla is going to be really good.
Same.
Mac and cheese chicken nuggets, that's incredible. That's going to be a really good quesadilla.
Oh my God.
Let's hope this turns out good and doesn't turn out weird, because if you go watch our last video, things turned out weird.
Yeah, we're not going to spoil anything. For spoilers, just go watch it. Just go watch it. This is the only spoiler we're going to spoil. Mr. Holzberg actually didn't want us to put these two sauces on the quesadilla. He wanted us to use it as dipping sauce. That's why there's ketchup and barbecue sauce. Joshua is going to use barbecue sauce and I'm going to use ketchup.
So, let's cook.
So first we're going to preheat the skillet. And as usual, I'm going to add butter to the pan to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting. Ooh.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put the tortilla on there, spread it around, so that we can get the skillet and the tortilla nice and buttery. Okay, let's twirl a little bit. Okay.
So now we're going to add some cheese on. And I don't think we mentioned, but it's mild cheddar.
Yeah, we didn't mention this in the beginning, but we are going to use mild cheddar today. Okay, that's definitely good. I think we should add the mac and cheese so the chicken nuggets have something to stick to. I think I'm just going to have the whole thing.
Chicken nuggets are the best. And mac and cheese. Oh, damn.
Yum. Yummy.
That was probably too much.
Right.
If you're going to put all of it on, you should add it on the other side.
No.
Now it's going to be like a whole mountain. How are you even going to fold this?
Just try to press the chicken nuggets in there.
Okay.
Hide them in there.
I'll just put it on the other side.
No. 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 Just put them in there. Put them in the mac and cheese.
I just realized I have to push them down. It sounds so disgusting. It's like, I don't know what it's like. It sounds like a chicken nuggets and mac and cheese on a tortilla getting slammed on a skillet that's on a stove.
I need to grab my spatula. Okay, now we're gonna somehow bring this back in the middle a little bit and then fold it somehow. Let's let it sit. Now I'm gonna check. This is gonna be super hard to check because this thing is filled with mac and cheese and chicken nuggets. Yeah.
I'm not. I can't look.
2, 1.
Oh,
Yes!
dang.
Success mundo.
I thought that'd fail.
I know. I'm surprised all of it didn't fall out. I think it might actually stick.
So how I first knew Mr. Holzberg was baseball. He was my coach for baseball, and when I knew that he was a teacher at the school we go to, and I was new there, I wanted him so bad. I asked him if he could see if he could get me in his class, and eventually he did somehow. I don't know how it works, but
Somehow.
magic. My favorite subject with Mr. Holzberg was probably reading, because usually the whole class is loud, so it's quiet then. My favorite book Mr. Holzberg read to the class was, I forgot what it was called, but it was this book. It was about certain bugs, and it all rhymed, so it was very cool.
Okay. It's been 1, 2, 3 minutes now, so let's check this. Yep, that's totally ready. Okay, Oh my gosh, it's so cheesy and it's so big. Oh my gosh. Heavy. Time to review. Hey guys, we're here to review with our guest Paisley.
Hi.
Today what we have Paisley is a gigantic mac and cheese chicken nugget quesadilla. And weren't you in Mr. Holzberg's class?
I had him for math. He's a great teacher. He this past week he helped me in math. Like I was having a lot of trouble from online school, and he FaceTimed me and just taught me what to know. He's a great teacher.
This sounds amazing. This is probably actually pretty cool. It doesn't feel really hot. So let's somehow cut this open. Not, that sounded bad. Let's see if I can actually cut it right this time, because last time I cut something like this, it was a monster looking thing. It was not even at all. Okay,
I'll take the biggest.
yeah, it's the biggest here. So cheesy looking. Here's a look at this crazy looking quesadilla. We have some sauce that Mr. Holzberg suggested. I have barbecue sauce. You have
Ketchup.
And I also have ketchup.
We've already dipped it in. Andrew, you want to start us off?
Yep.
It can.
Yep.
It can.
That can. It's so good.
So I love ketchup. So I definitely love the ketchup part about it, and I like how you can definitely taste the mac and cheese.
Andrew, what do you like about it?
The chicken nuggets.
I can really taste it. I agree with Andrew. The chicken nuggets are really good in it. Mac and cheese, like I said, it's a pretty good combo. Barbecue sauce went perfect. I don't know how the ketchup tasted. You guys like the ketchup with it?
Mm-hmm.
3 cans, 0 cans.
It's how you know to try it.
Try it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, comment some suggestions down below. We'll see you next time on Can It Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.